Today we're going to review the Lumineux Whitening Strips. I gave a sneak peek of this on my Instagram the other day, and I've been doing a 7-day challenge, and I am here to present the results to you. So Lumineux is known for being a natural peroxide-free whitening solution. They claim to be enamel-safe, non-toxic, and peroxide-free. And they're a great alternative to like your traditional whitening strips, like the Crest whitening strips that everybody raves about, which, by the way, I haven't tried. Okay, so instead of using harsh chemicals, they use natural ingredients like coconut oil and essential oils to gently whiten your teeth while also protecting your enamel. Excited to kind of see the results and show you my results over the past 7 days. So let's see if these natural strips are worth it.
Okay, so here is the Lumineux box. We're going to do a Lumineux unboxing along with my 7-day trial results. So here is what comes in the box. We have the whitening strips, which I've been doing. Tonight is my last night, and I'm so excited to finish the challenge. Whitening mouthwash. A toothbrush. And toothpaste. That is everything that comes in the box. And let's get over to the results. Okay, so no makeup page. Coming in, I have a little bit of foundation on and my eyebrows are done, and that's it. So yeah, we're gonna be a little raw and real today, but I did want to pop up my final results of the 7-day trial, and they should pop up somewhere around here. I might try to make them big, I don't know. The whitening effect, I would say, is there, but it's very gradual. So as you can tell, going through, I have a before and then a directly after my first strip, and then days 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you can see a gradual whitening, but I do think, and again, caveat, I have not tried the Crest white strips. I've heard they can cause teeth sensitivity, and I already have a little bit of that. And I was kind of looking for something more natural. So if you have teeth sensitivity and you are willing to be patient with your teeth whitening, I do think Lumineux is a good option for you, because Lumineux, the white strips, gave me no teeth sensitivity at all. So that was a good thing. And then I also like that the white strips are natural, like they made with coconut oil. Like there's no harmful chemical ingredients, like nothing that you're ingesting that you don't want anything like toxic in your body from these white strips. So that's really good. And for me, I do see a gradual whitening over time, but I do think I'm going to continue to use them and see if I can even get a better result from longer use, if that makes sense. Okay, so again, in conclusion, I do think that these are good, but you're going to have to be patient. You're not going to get a really like whitening look right away, if that makes sense. You're going to have to be consistent and wait for the results over time. Okay? Okay, I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next review.